Tonight, a big step forward in COVID-19 treatment research. Georgia State University researchers say they've discovered a new antiviral medicine which can be taken by mouth, could be a game changer while we wait for a vaccine. The study found this drug could keep people from developing a severe form of the virus, shorten the infectious period, which helps ease the social and emotional tolls of quarantining, and help control local outbreaks. GSU researchers predict patients who take this treatment could no longer be infectious after just 24 hours.